Alright. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Just a man and his deuce and a half. It has been a hot minute since I've put out a video. There's been a lot going on between work and vacations and all of that kind of stuff. But today, we're going to try to do a cold start on the Deuce. I typically dislike these videos because, you know, we all know the Deuce will start under normal circumstances. Well, as I showed in the beginning, it is just over 40 degrees. I'm cold. But, so, y'all remember whenever I was just in the Christmas parade back in December.
Thank you! Merry Christmas!
I was running an inverter on one of the two batteries, and all right.
So here we go. It should be able to slide in.
Not a good idea. I really didn't think it was going to cause anything with the truck running, but anyway, pulled one battery way down, and whenever I pulled over to turn off the Christmas lights, the truck would not start. Battery was dead. Well, one of the batteries pulled down enough that it wouldn't start. So, is it good to run electronics off of one battery? No, never. Not even a radio. It will eventually kill the one battery. Yes, there's people that have done it and they seem to have no problems out of it. Maybe they're replacing batteries every 2 to 4 years. I don't know. And I don't care. It's just not a good idea. But anyway, I charged both batteries just the other day. Actually, probably a week ago now. And I haven't tried to start the truck because I really wanted to give it a few days and just to see if that one battery was going to be okay. So, just to give you a little heads up here with the Deuce. Charging these batteries, you don't need a 24 volt charger. You just use a 12 volt charger and you just connect it to one battery at a time until it's charged. I hate these new chargers today. I just hate them. Maybe they're better. I don't know. I'm 55 years old. I kind of like the old school way of things. You just had to add a little bit of smarts to what you was doing so you don't blow shit up. But anyway, we're going to do a cold start because, for one, I need to see if this old girl is going to start up or if I'm going to have to swing out another $400 frickin' to buy batteries. So, anyway, without further ado, let's see if the truck will start. It's not a really cold start. I know there's colder places in the world, but it's cold for Alabama, and I'm freezing. All right, here we go. Like a champ. This truck is the most dependable vehicle I've ever had. That is 50-something years old. It's 54 years old. Supposedly it's a 1971. We'll let it sit here. We'll let you all look at something here real quick. Let you look at the gauges. Oil pressure is good. There, the buzzer, it comes and goes, but she's coming up. The charge is over there in the green. Of course, the water is not warmed up yet. And I've got about a half a tank or so of fuel. So, yes, I still have to do the boots on this truck. I hope that probably won't happen until March, to be honest, because it's just too cold. And I'm not all about working out here in the cold. So, anyway. The truck runs. She runs like a top. Horn blows. Anyway, that's gonna do it for today's little cold start with the M35A2 Deuce and a half. The big ugly grain truck. Yeah, I'm cold. I'm going back in the house. We'll let this thing run for another minute or two. And yeah, y'all got a Deuce out there? Share some experiences you have in the comments below. And hey, if you like this, hit that there like button. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I got some stuff coming this summer, or this year, I should say. It probably happened this summer, but we got the boots coming on, and eventually I'm gonna get some wheels and tires for it. But yeah, it's all coming. Maybe I'll hit a car show this spring. So anyway, hope you all enjoyed, and yeah, we'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.